Why does your scanner show the P06DD engine code? What does it mean? P06DD is Diagnostic trouble code for engine oil pressure control circuit stuck off. It means that your vehicle's engine oil pressure sensor is signaling the PCM that the oil pressure is too low and affecting the dual-stage oil pump. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these 10 possible faults in your car. Short or open oil pressure sensor circuit. Low oil level. Dirty engine oil. Faulty oil pressure sensor. Damaged oil pressure sensor harness. Faulty oil pump. Wrong oil filter. Clogged oil inlet port screen. Poor electrical connections. Damaged wiring. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This code can appear in various vehicle models across multiple manufacturers: Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Alfa Romeo models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.